I'm using the GO247 styling cream. We're using about a dime size in his hair. And what we're looking to achieve is control over a strong hold. So use your fingers like a wide tooth comb to apply the product. Just naturally rake it back on the sides. You can use your palm to smooth out the hair. So this will achieve a very effortless hairstyle, natural finish, and medium hold. It works on all hair lengths and hair types and can be applied wet or dry. So this is the look after the hair is dried with the styling cream in wet hair. So we use a little bit more to give it some more separation and pieciness. These pieces will fall forward, just give it that really effortless, easy look. And this is the finished product using styling cream.